Ever pondered about the wonders hidden in a Korean convenience store? These bustling hubs are treasure troves, brimming with a vast array of products that cater to every whim. From quick snacks to full meals, there's a little something for everyone. But the real stars of the show are the endless varieties of chocolate milk and ice cream. With unique flavors and innovative packaging, these sweet treats are a world apart. Well, it's time to delve into the world of Korean convenience store chocolate milk and ice cream. What makes Korean chocolate milk stand out from the rest? Well, let's dive right in. At its core, Korean chocolate milk boasts a creaminess that is second to none. This velvety texture is achieved through a perfect balance of milk and cocoa, resulting in a concoction that is smooth, rich, and decadently satisfying. Now let's talk sweetness. Unlike its counterparts around the globe that tend to lean towards an overwhelming sugary profile, Korean chocolate milk strikes a harmonious balance. It's sweet, yes, but not cloyingly so. It's a nuanced sweetness that leaves you wanting more, not reaching for a glass of water. And then, there's the packaging. Forget your standard carton or plastic bottle. Korean chocolate milk often comes in delightful, quirky containers that add a dash of fun to the whole experience. So, what's the verdict? The creaminess, the just right sweetness, the playful packaging. These elements converge to create a unique tasting experience. Indeed, Korean chocolate milk offers a unique tasting experience. Now, let's unravel the mystery of Korean ice cream. In the world of frozen desserts, Korea has built a reputation for innovation and variety. The array of flavors is astounding, from the traditional like vanilla and chocolate to the uniquely Korean, such as red bean, green tea, and even sweet potato. They're not just unique in taste, but also in form. You'll find ice cream packed in fish-shaped wafers, wrapped in rice dough, or even sandwiched between sponge cake. Now let's take a global perspective. While you'll find vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate in every corner of the globe, Korea's offerings truly stand out for their creativity and diversity. Where else can you find a bite of ice cream that's like a mini adventure, wrapped in a fish-shaped wafer or a delicately sweet rice dough? So, whether you're a traditionalist or an adventurer, you're bound to find something to love. Korean ice cream truly takes the frozen dessert game to a whole new level. So, what have we discovered today? We've delved into the delightful realm of Korean convenience stores, immersing ourselves in the unique flavors of Korean chocolate milk and ice cream. We've compared them to others around the world, and they've stood out with their distinct taste profiles and creamy textures. Korean chocolate milk is a delightful fusion of sweetness and richness, while the Korean ice cream is a creamy, melt-in-your-mouth experience. Next time you're in a Korean convenience store, why not give these treats a try? You might just find your new favorite dessert.